Christmas treat. I'm starting with a bag of these caramel hard candies and a bar. This is the giant bar of the special dark chocolate. You can use any chocolate bar you'd like. This is an entire quart of whole milk. You can use whatever kind of milk you'd like, but I love just regular dairy milk. But this works really well with any kind of milk that you like. So that's an entire quart. Another 2 cups of whole milk. We're going to be using 6 whole cups for this recipe. It's going to be so good. Add some salted caramel coffee creamer. I'm going to do 2 cups of that. I didn't realize it was going to be chocolatey colored. Okay, 2 cups goes in there. That. And then to make it even creamier, I'm going to add 1 cup of half and half. And that goes in there as well. This is gonna be so good, guys. It's already started to smell good before I even turn the heat on. Half cup of this Hershey's dark cocoa. I'm gonna take, this is let me just double check. It's a half cup measure. Make sure I can fit that all in there. That looks about right. Toss that in there like that. Give this a stir. Then we're going to add one more ingredient, freshly cracked salt. So that's about a tablespoon of salt. Just mix this all together one more time. Make sure that salt is mixed in with everything. All you have to do is put the lid on this and cook this on low for 2 hours. Oh, yay! Salted caramel goodness. And give this a stir. Make sure that all those caramels, ooh, wow, everything has melted together. That's so great. Okay, so give this a stir. Jumbo marshmallows. I know I can't fit all of them in here, so you can just put some on the side, like that. And then you can serve some next to it. Okay, here with 2 plates. Got some caramel syrup. Drizzle some right here, like that. Then I've got these graham cracker crumbs. If you can't find these are kind of hard to find. If you have a hard time finding them, just get some, graham cracker crusts, like pie crusts, and just crumble them up. I've got a coffee mug here. Go ahead and put that in the caramel syrup. And I think what I'm also going to do is take this syrup, just kind of go around the edge. Isn't that pretty? Okay. Then we're gonna dip it in the graham crackers. Like that. Let me move this out of the way. These marshmallows have softened up. This mug, put 1 marshmallow in. Then we're going to give a taste test. Oh, I think I could fit a second one in. Oh, perfect. Okay, give this a taste test. The salted caramel hot chocolate. That's really good. If you love salted caramel, this is the hot cocoa for you. totally make it.